Marjorie!
Last week, late ka na naman. Alam mo yung ayaw ko sa lahat? Yung nalilate sa klase ko, nakaka-interrupt yun, ha? Naintindihan mo?
Ate, pwede po ba nitong ganyan? Last na po kasi ito para may pambili ako ng pagkain.
Magkano ba yan?
Kahit 50 pesos na lang.
Mura naman.
Ayos lang para lang may pambili ng pagkain.
Sige, akin na. 50, di ba? 50. Mura naman. Ito. Sanya! Di ba sabi ko magsaing ka na doon? Anong ginagawa mo? Ba't naglalaba ka pa, ha? Ano? Sumagot ka na. Talagang ayaw mong sumagot, ha? Yan sa'yo. Wag na wag kang tatawag sa nanay mo, ha? Shania! Hazel! Ate? Anong ginagawa mo? Ate? Ayos ka lang ba? Anong ginawa sa'yo? Okay, class, that's for today. Goodbye, class. Goodbye and thank you, ma'am.
Tay, nakauwi na po ako.
Ang dami mong kuda, magpainit ka nga ng tubig. Bakit yung pinainit kong tubig malamig? Marjorie!
Tay, bakit po?
Nagpainit ka nga ng tubig? Tignan mo.
Ay, sorry po, malamig po kasi ako.
Mainit yung tubig o malamig? mong pangyarasan yung school activities. Puro ka na nga barkada. Hindi mo na nagagawa yung gawaing bahay. Pwede sa nagmahit ko wala kang silbi.
Pa, tama na po. Bakit pagdating po sa akin lagi kayong ganyan? Wala nga po akong barkada kung alam nila kung ano yung pinagdadaanan ko.
Sir, nabalitaan po namin yung gagawa niyo sa anak niyo. So, nag-DSWD, nag-decide sila na kunin si Martin para sa ikabubuhay ko.
This film shines a light on the stories of learners. It reveals their need for safety, their right to play and learn, their right to be protected from violence, and their longing to stay connected with the people they love. These are the stories of reality, the stories of every learner whose life matters. In school, at home, and in their community, every child deserves safety. Not sometimes, but always. They have the right to learn without fear, to play without limits, and to grow in an environment that protects their dreams. They have the right to be safe in their own homes, to be shielded from violence, and to stay connected with parents working far away. They have the right to education that empowers them, and the right to love that strengthens them. These stories may be real, but together we can choose to change how they end, to protect, to guide, and to love every learner. Because every child's story deserves a better reality.